All right. By the way, it's only like 30 degrees out, so I am freezing to death. Whoa, not the trash can. Oh my gosh. Where is this dog going? No. Oh my God. I almost just crashed. No. Where? Go. Go. Where do you want to go? Go. Oh my. Nala. Nala. We can't be going there. We can't be going there. Here, let me start you off. Okay. Go down here. Also, she's running super fast since we have not done one of these in forever. Go. Come on. Yes. Whoa. Don't run into the truck. Oh God. She's speeding up. Oh my. So, we will be doing Super Bowl predictions, so put your prediction in the comment of this video and we'll see if you and Nala or you and Chloe can get the same answer. Me personally, I would love the Bengals to win, but don't know if they are. Oh, where are we going, Nala? Whoa. There's like frost on the ground. It's freezing. My ears are dying. Okay, I'm wondering if she's just gonna go around the block like we usually do. Oh, car, Nala. Hey, GoPro, stop recording. Nala, please. All right. She chose to go down the hill, which is super fun in 30-degree weather. Oh God, I'm freezing to death. But is she gonna turn into our house? That's the only problem. She could be like, oh, I want another walk. Sadly, Chloe is not gonna get any bigger, so unfortunately, I don't think she could do longboard walks. She could definitely do normal walks. Like, yeah, a couple days ago, she went on like 4 miles, which is amazing for her. But Nala didn't get to go. That's why we're not taking Chloe today. But yeah, let's see where she goes. It's the real question. Is she gonna turn and be a responsible doggo? Or is she going, oh, hold on. Is she responsible? Looks like it. Chloe would be going around this block for hours. Oh, where are we going? Okay. All right, I think that is gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope you guys can come and